So you want to learn how to use DreamSpark and get free access to it from the Sullivan account that you have here. What I'm going to do is take this short video just to show you how to get to DreamSpark, how to log into it, how to acquire some software, and then hopefully put you on your way to picking up some tools for free and using them to further your education here at Sullivan. First of all, let's talk about how to get to the actual site. What you're going to need to do is in any browser, I'll just use Internet Explorer here, you're going to need to go to our web address for our web server. It is our development server for the department, so it is dev.cict.net. Once you're on this server, lots of different links here, and we can go into a lot of depth about what in the world you can do here, but the main thing you want is DreamSpark. So over here under the Sullivan links, there's a link directly to DreamSpark. You'll click that link, which will take you to our account. And the way that you can tell that this is the right account is if you'll notice right here in the middle of the page, it is Sullivan University. It is the College of Information and Computer Technology's premium DreamSpark account. Now right now you can browse everything on the site without logging in. So I can actually go to DreamSpark Premium. I can click on, I'll just take the first one here, Microsoft Project. And it tells me I can get it for free. I can even add it to my cart. And it's at some point going to ask you for a login. Now your login information is your student email address, and your password is set by you. As the DreamSpark administrator, I can change the password and do a lot with it, but I do not set initial passwords. So the first time around, if you've never used DreamSpark around at all, if you've never used your DreamSpark account, go right here to Forgot Username and Password. Supply your Sullivan email address, which will look something like this. And please don't forget the my.sullivan.edu, and then you'll hit submit. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and go up here first and log in instead. I've already set up my account. I have a password ready for it. Again, your full Sullivan email address. And then once you sign in, the only way you'll know you're signed in is it will say welcome and have your address there. I can do the same thing we did before by going to DreamSpark Premium. It'll let me see all the products that are available to me, such as Project here. Decide which version I want. We have the Pro version of 2013, either with or without Service Pack 1. There's a regular account for the DVD account, and then there's a web installer. I'm actually just going to go ahead and pick the first one. I haven't chosen it before. Now it says it's free. It gives me a price, and for a small sum, I can actually have him ship me a DVD that they'll burn and send to me from me. What I'm going to do instead is just go ahead and check out with what I have. If I go to continue shopping, I can add more products. But I'll just check out for now so you'll see what'll happen. There is a license agreement. Notice it's the end user license agreement here. I suggest you read through it at least the first time. There's a lot of information here on how you can use your DreamSpark account for academic rights and nothing else. In other words, don't try to make a profit with it by using it for your business. Once you have read through that, accept. Make sure that your amount hasn't changed. It will ask you for your basic order information, and you can either choose to check this that you want to receive email newsletters and other promotional things from Microsoft, or not. You can leave it unchecked. I'm just going to proceed with my order. And then I have a receipt. At this point, it will tell me on my receipt, here's my product key. I suggest you either print this page out or write that down somewhere. But I can start my download right here, and it will come in as a .iso file. If you're not sure what to do with those, here are instructions right here on what in the world you need to do with that to use them, as well as a copy of the EULA once again. You will start your download, and then the product is yours. Store it where you can actually find it later. Burn it to a disk, or if you have some kind of ISO manager that will let you load straight from that, that'll work as well. But either way, you ought to be on your way now. If you have any other questions, there is a help feature built in up here at the top. First thing I would do is suggest you go here. So if you're, again, not sure about how to do some of the downloading, here's everything about downloading. The other one that a lot of folks have trouble with are just basic error messages, so there's some of these. And there is also a place for a contact us, to where if you fill out this form, that will go to our DreamSpark administrator, and they will get back to you within usually 24 hours. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun with your new DreamSpark account.